Hey guys, and today we're gonna be doing something spicy. So we're gonna be trying eating this pepper without drinking any water. So here it goes. Guys, I'm really afraid, so please subscribe. Oh, that's really spicy. Oh, I can't stand it. Oh, oh, that's so spicy. Oh, guys, please subscribe, like. I can't stand this. I need water.